Today we're going to talk about the worst DoorDash orders I have received recently. And I'm sure you've experienced this before. You open up the app and you look at it and you hit Dash Now and you're greeted with a series of offers which makes you think, is DoorDash pranking me? From the ridiculous distances and the absurd low price offers? Come on now. That's just plain terrible. And today we're going to explore the worst of the worst, the most head-scratching, jaw-dropping, rage-inducing offers that will make you question the whole food delivery system. Now let's look at our first example. Here we have $9.25 for 16.7 miles for 7-Eleven. This is painful to see. Something like 60-ish cents per mile? Come on! Really? This is totally unacceptable. Please don't accept this type of order. And if you have, try not to do that again. I mean, what's the point of even calling this an offer? Is it going to cover my time? Is it going to cover my money? Is it going to cover the gas and the wear and tear of my car? Come on. It's like DoorDash is just insulting my intelligence. And we know some or most customers, they don't even care. They just want their food, expecting us just to accept the scraps that they give us. But we have the power to say no and decline the order. Now let's watch our recent short clip of my ride-along video and tell me if you've ever felt this way.
Oh my gosh. No. 775, 11.9 miles. Going to Chili's, 7-Eleven. Oh my gosh, DoorDash. I was trying to do so well. Really, I was trying so hard. And you send me crap? Man, I will go home. I'll go home. I will decline this one. Okay, so now you want to take me from 82 to 81. I am still declining. I've built a cushion. I'm above 70, but man, I'm trying to. I want my rating up. But sending me trash like that, I can only do so much. Now, some people still do it, but no. Hold on. Hold to the on. DoorDash wants me to go home. 225 for 6.9 miles. Because I almost accepted that order. Decline, which will take me down to 80%. Decline offer and good to the buy. That took me down to 80%. I'm done for right now. How you doing? No. If that's all the trash that you have for me right now, well, I don't have to work it. Hello, somebody.
And if you've already seen this video, you already know the struggles that I went through. Are there times where you just call it quits for the day and say that you're done? Or do you just tough it out, or you just keep going and keep pushing? And that's pretty much what this video is about. Not quite the happy ending that you may think, but if you haven't seen it, I'll have this in a link below so you can watch it and you can share what you think as you see my issues and struggles that I had through the day, but I also give some really good tips as well. So immediately after this video, please see DoorDash ride-along tips, tricks, and issues that occur. Now let's look at a different order. Now we see this, it says $20 for 18.1 miles for Aldi's. And we see Aldi's has 3 orders for 29 distinct items. Ouch! That is too much work for such little pay, don't you think? So my first question is how long is it even going to take me to even get there? Then second, how long is it going to take me to even get those 29 items? Then I have to separate and check out in 3 different ways. Come on. Jeez Louise, are you kidding me? How long is this going to take me altogether? This is clearly going to take me over an hour, hour and a half, 2. This is me. I'm not familiar with Aldi's at all. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment below, because in my opinion, this order is just a complete waste of time and I would not be able to get this done in a reasonable amount of time. And my goal is at least to make $20 an hour. I know some people, they're looking for like $25 an hour for their goal. And I know my market isn't that unless it's actually busy. Like it was in this past holiday, I was making over $25 an hour, which was cool. But typically, I'm actually pushing just to get that $20 an hour mark in my market. Now, I've heard some good stories about in North Dallas, which is making pretty good money. But I'm overall happy where I'm serving, which is south of Dallas. And it's important for you to know your market and what makes things work for you in your market. And here's a question. Do you have to travel 10, 15, 20, even 30 minutes to your market just to meet your dollar amount goal? But do what you have to do to make it work for your financial success. DoorDash is not for everyone. There are a lot of apps that we can work from. As for me and my wife, we're primarily on DoorDash, and Uber Eats is our secondary. However, you will be seeing me in the next weeks and months branching out to other apps and testing them out, and we'll be talking about it. So what's all the takeaways from this? Well, it's clear that some DoorDash offers are just completely crazy. But what's more surprising is there's actually people that will actually take the offer because they may feel like they have to take it, or maybe they just don't know better. I know there's been times where I just feel like I have to take it, and it's just kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to keep my acceptance rating up. But a lot of times I have to come to myself as like, wait a minute, I can't take anything that's 60 cents per mile, 50 cents per mile. I have to come to myself and just remind myself that, hey, you're in this to make money. You're not always going to do this for charity. I hope this has educated you where you won't be taking offers that will rob you of your time and money. And if you want to see more of these bad order stories, let me know in the comment box. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and you'll see me in your next video.